You've probably noticed that video is a key feature of the EzyCourse platform. Videos can appear on web pages, they can appear in courses, they can appear in communities. So there's a whole set of settings on your EzyCourse platform to help you customize your videos, and we'll look at them in this lesson. On your EzyCourse dashboard, you go into Site Settings and you go to Video Editor. Now I'm going to call up the details for one of these videos just to show you some of the settings that you can change. Now, first of all, you can change the thumbnail that appears. So when you put this, for example, on a web page or in a course, you can change the thumbnail that appears. And you can do that by selecting one of these images here from within the video, or you can even upload your own. Now, there's also some tabs along the bottom that are worth taking a look at here. So firstly, there's captions. You can upload a caption file onto the EzyCourse platform, and that will generate captions for that video that are displayed for the user to see. You can also create chapters. Now, chapters are displayed in the timeline and allow viewers to more easily navigate through your video. So if you've got a long video that you want to divide into chapters, you can set those chapters up there, and that enables users to very quickly skip through that longer form video. Moments are things that show up in the timeline, and they highlight points of interest. So you can add moments to your video with key points throughout that just kind of come up onto the screen. And that's a great way of driving a little bit more engagement from the videos people are watching. Statistics shows you some view time history, and the embed tab here allows you to embed your videos on other sites as well. So lots of ways that you can customize the videos that you include on your EzyCourse site.